What's good with y'all niggas, man? Welcome to another episode of Chainsaw Man. Episode number motherfucking 8, you feel me? My nigga Denji was laying with, what's her name? Himeno last episode, bruh. She was about to throw the coochie on my mans, bruh. I'm ready to see that action. You feel me? They've been fucking with me on YouTube, though. I'm just saying that shit real quick before we start this video, man. Because there was supposed to be a Bleach episode this week, the week before they copyrighted the nigga. But I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining, bro. We back. You see that fucking small transparent circle? We have the techniques. Let's start the episode, bro. Hey, yo, bro. Why do I have to see this nigga toes, bro? Bro, why the fuck bro? Why the fuck they showing me his toes, bro? Something about this show, bro. They be animating shit to where it looks like you shouldn't be looking at it, bro. Like episode 4 with Makima touching Denji's hand and shit, bro. That shit looks sexual as fuck. I'm not saying these toes look sexual, nigga. Watch yourself. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But this bitch is tripping. Is this the shit that happened before Denji woke up and this bitch was just on top of him like, you feel me? Her legs were open like these, bruh. I don't know what else to tell you. I think this is before that shit happened. So that means my nigga Denji was out for a whole last day after the incident. We don't need to talk about it. But after the incident. What the fuck? But this was never the POV I thought I'd get of this shit. My nigga I'm not jealous. Yo, no, wait. I have to remember she puked in my nigga's mouth, bruh. She puked, bruh. I'm not thirsty, bruh.
クラクラする。なんじゃこりゃ。あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのに。もう、アキくんも、あんな照れちゃってさ。もう、もう、もう、牛。
Tripping. Bro, back with the toes, bruh. Listen, a nigga has no foot fetish, bruh. If you have, bruh, keep your toes away from me. On God. That's how you start an episode. Bruh, Denji, you son of a bitch. Bruh, listen, bruh, I'm just a nigga, bruh. I don't know what to tell you. I'm just a nigga.
ファーストキスをケロで汚した女に、その女に初めてを奪われていいのか。よし。
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
よしよし。
Raw, bro.
下も脱ぎましょうね。
Bro, wait, give me a. Where's that shit? Fuck.
お
Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Alright, bro. We back. Bro, I went to. You know the meme, bro? Take my V card, bro. Bro, take my V card, bro.
Damn, what is that, bro?
Shit, wifey.
スーパーで酔い薬買ってきちゃった。寝る前に水と一緒に飲むこと。
マキマさん、俺クソみてえなファーストキスしちまいました。俺はこれから
If she makes up for the first kiss, bro, I'm done with this anime, bro. Denji has all the plot armor in the world, bro. He just gets it, bro. He gets it, bro. But pass me some. Pass, bro. Chavi, Modric, bro. Be like one of those niggas, bro. Bro, bro.
デンジ君、昨日の夜私酔ってて何も覚えてないんだけど、私に乱暴なことされなかった？
誰がゲロ女とやっかよ。俺は初めてはマキマさんって決めたんだ。
ああ、よかったよかった。未成年に手出したら逮捕だからね。逮捕。デンジ君は変わってるね。普通この状況とか気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど。
はあ？ただ飯食えるのになんで帰るんだよ。
Simple.
そういや、デンジ君もマキマさん好きなの？
超好き。
Hmm.
例えばマキマさんの性格がクソでも好き？
クソ好き。
よし、私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか。
マジ？
マジマジ。デンジ君、私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないか。
Listen, I'm just gonna say, bro. Bro, I was literally about to say that shit. I was gonna say she's playing 5D chess. Get Makima out the way. You feel me? Makima's gone, right? So now she has Aki all to herself. Bro, it makes sense, bro. It makes sense.
マキマさん
Watch out.
協力するからさ、私とアキ君くっつけてよ。
あいつんどこ好きなの？
顔。
いいぜ。乗った。同盟組もうぜ。
じゃあ今日から私
Bro, Denji just looks like my nigga, bro.
たちで行こう。
I don't know why, bro. Denji just has a my nigga vibe to him, bro.
京都に何時に着くんだっけ？
あと30分ですね。
じゃあ駅弁買っちゃおう。
1時に会食がありますよ。
ちゃんとそれまでにお腹空かせますよ。京都の偉い人たちと会いたくないな。みんな怖いんだもん。ご飯は穏やかな気持ちで食べたいのに。昨日のお酒美味しかった。
Alright. Makima got a little bit less, you know what I'm saying, of that dominatrix personality. She enjoyed the day. She wasn't just there to manipulate my boy. Yo, I was about to say, is that a fucking gun, bro? Holy shit, what the fuck?
ら C 班開始。
Bro, what is this fucking 1962 ass music that's in the background right now, bro? God, bro, Granny got the blicky? Niggas iffy up. Look, it got the stiffy up.
知らんとはおらん
Bruh, what the fuck was that shit? Bro, were like those niggas were being assassinated, bro. Is there like some evil Akatsuki ass organization against the devil hunters or some shit?
祭りか。
I don't know.
本当に言うなら昨日交尾してないのか？
みんなに好かれた江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
何の
Love. Bro, that nigga had that nigga lose his testes, bro. Fuck that nigga. You feel me? There has to be the energy Denji is on. You feel me? Bitch, too pussy. What the fuck do you want? Exactly, bro. The nigga telling his life story, bro. Like, who asked? Who asked, bro? On God.
つもりだ、てめえ。知り合いか。
銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Sure you can. Raw. Oh shit.
私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。人でも悪魔でもない。
Who the fuck? Oh, bro, this nigga built like Denji? What's this, bro? The sword man? Oh, ayo, bruh. Ayo, this nigga might be hard, you know?
パワー、姫野先輩の血を止めてろ。
Oh shit, that's the sword they didn't want Aki to use, bruh.
さあ
Say three? Didn't that shit take away years from that nigga life? One stab is 3. Throw the sword away, bruh. Throw the sword, bro. The nigga did not die, bro. I'm not losing 3 years for a stab that does not kill a nigga, bro. This nigga. That's so disrespectful, bro. Five years for 2 stabs. Fuck no. 6 years. Oh, was that a countdown? What the fuck?
Hime 姫野先輩は。
早く医者に見せた方がいいの。
あいつ。
No, that could have been the years and the countdown at the same time, right? Because they didn't say all the numbers. But I'm not sure. I can't lie, I'm not sure.
買っていやがった。日本では警察とデビルハンター以外入手は不可能なのに。
銃の めえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
ひとまず姫野先輩の治療を。
呪いの悪魔。その持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬみたいな感じか。あんたいい動きだったね。
どこから来た？
Who the fuck?
そいつの仲間か。
Bro, listen, I'm on smoke on anyone who's pulling up after I fight a nigga like that, bro. Like, these niggas are too casual, bro. When he was sitting, bro, I should have said this shit, bro. I'm taking out my blicky, my gun, everything, bro. It's time for annihilation. I'm not playing with you. But these niggas were like waiting, allowing this. But like, I kind of had some context, you know what I'm saying? I can give them that. But this nigga, bro, he's pulling up, touching this nigga like it's okay. Shoot him. Con that nigga. Like, he's con that nigga, bro. Stop playing. Kill the nigga.
どうして負けた？
油断した。マジで油断した。
じゃあさっさと殺して。
KO? Is that a KO, my boy? Holy shit, bruh. Is he gonna survive?
まだ生きてるぞ。デビルハンターのスーツは頑丈だからな。とどめを刺して。
私はいいから、アキ君を助けて。
Is that like his master?
あいつの動き見えんかったもん。
Like, not like the big bad, but like a higher ranked person type shit.
あの女恐ろしい。
Bro, what's happening with her? What's good with her? Oh, okay. Bro, I thought she got like smoked by this nigga or something.
全部をあげるから。コーストの全部使わせて。
Oh shit. Nigga, what?
アキ君は泣くことができる。
What in... That's the ghost devil,
デビル
right?
ハンターは
But that thing looks ugly as fuck.
涙が出なくなる。でもアキ君はすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは隠れて泣いていたから面白かった。あれだけ思って泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな。
Is she like slowly losing everything, bro? Cause like her left hand just disappeared, bro. Oh yeah, no, her shit's disappearing.
アキ君は死なないでね。私が
Bro, she's dying, bro.
泣いてほしいから。
ヘビ、丸飲み。
Raw. Oh shit, yo, KO, nigga. Does that mean she gets to live because they killed the devil in advance? Or is she still just gonna like disappear no matter what? Oh, she died. GG's. GG's, bruh. Alright, bruh. We just finished watching the episode, bruh. The episode was crazy. Can't lie to you, bruh. Bruh, she fucking died, bruh. Himeno, bruh. Bro, she was here for like 2 episodes. I won't lie. But those niggas did like a good job fleshing out her character just for like that little time. You feel me? Cause you kind of get it. You feel me? She's a little hoary because she don't give a fuck about life like that no more, right? Like in her mind, she's like, listen, bro, I'm a devil hunter. My day is coming today, tomorrow, but it's coming very soon. I need to enjoy myself to the fullest. So she takes BBCs, SBCs, ABCs, bruh. She takes everything, bruh. The Mandingos, but she doesn't care, bruh. You feel me? And like, you feel me? Like, you get to understand, like, she be losing her partners. You know, she goes through shit, bro. That's like real shit. So like, she was pretty fleshed out for like a character you see for like 2 episodes. So, it's tough. She had to go, bruh. That's tough. I don't know who that devil nigga is. You feel me? Sword Man. Let's call him Sword Man, bruh. Sword Man. That nigga is crazy, bro. That nigga died the first time. He was like, oh, yo, might be. Underestimated that nigga. Just fucking one shot that, bruh. And there was like that one time when Aoki was like fucking him up with the sword. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't sure if like the countdown shit was also how many years it was taking. Because Himeno was like, but don't use the sword, nigga. You be losing your HP after you use that shit, right? So I'm not sure if that was years. Listen, bruh, ran out of battery. Now I know I could put a black screen for y'all niggas, but I put for you the meme and repeat. I know I can put the black screen, but mind your business. Goodbye.